Hello and welcome back to the Broken Doll, and today I come to you with Trudy. This is a small update on her and how well she is coming along. I have her hat pretty much finished. I have her, this is a jacket, which looks like a vest right now. I just have to do the sleeves. She has her pants on. They're not finished yet. They need the elastic or a ribbon I'm going to put into them. I'm not sure which way I'm going to go. But this is her little outfit, and it's all trimmed in that nice trim that I have here. I think she looks really, really sweet. You know, everything's just come along really nice and everything. I am really pleased with her and how well she's looking and everything. I have surprised myself how well I can do sew. It's coming right out of me. It's not perfect. I see my mistakes. I see what I've done wrong and right and everything else. But this has been a wonderful learning experience for me. And it's really taught me what I can do and what I need to improve on. And this is how you start. You start with these most simplest dolls and build yourself up from there. I'm going to show you her jacket. This is what I had to work with for her jacket. This is it. This little piece. This is the back. Now let's show you the back of her jacket here. I had to extend it. This was her jacket. This goes over the top of her. This is what she had on. This is how much more I built. I extended it. I made it bigger. And I had to. It just wasn't going to fit her. It just wasn't right on her at all. So that was her vest. It was just sad. This is just a sad little piece of cloth. And it's just, so if I was to hold it in my hands, there you are. And it was supposed to have sleeves, and the sleeves are not even there. You can see this. This is it. That's what she had. And that's what I had to work with. And so I made this myself. And I kind of took a pattern off of this and just extended it. I was doing a lot of measuring, and I had my trusty little measuring tape out, and I was doing a lot of measuring, and that's what you got to do. And I extended it myself and made it a little bit bigger to fit her just a little bit better. And this here is just like a little rag. It's just a little raggy thing. You know, that's it. That's what she had on. That was her clothing right there, you know. So now that you see that on her, and now you see what I made for her, what a difference, you know. And like I say, I see my mistakes. I also see what I've done very well with this. I will improve as I move along and do more sewing and everything else. But I'm happy with what I did. And yeah, but that in one little fold, that's her jacket right there in itself. So I have a piece of her hat here. This is her dirty little hat. There's a second piece that goes with it for the brim. I don't know where that is. I've got, every piece is here. Don't worry about that. It is here. Now I was using this jacket. It's an 18-inch jacket. And I was using that a little bit to help me out, but it didn't help me like I thought it would. So I stayed away from this. But I was using it as a backup for me, but it just wasn't giving me what I wanted. So now I might use the sleeves. This is what I'm looking at for sleeves for her, but not as long, just maybe a little shorter. So this isn't coming next. I got to learn how to slant the sleeves like this. I see this, what I got to do here. So I'll do it. I'll make it. So anyways, I thought I'd share this with you. It's just a short little video, and yep, we're coming. And just to kind of show you, once her hat is sitting like sewing down, then her head should be able to turn. It's hard to do it when it's like this, but I had her head turning there for the neighbor lady. But anyways, it should turn. Once it's sewing down, her head should turn around. It just needs to be sewn. So you kind of get this broad out, like it pulled out like this, and then you can turn it around. See? That's all you need, it to be sewn. But I can't do that right now because she's not stuffed completely and a lot more work to do on her. But I wanted to give you this short little video on her and let you see her. And I think she's looking wonderful. But everybody have a great Saturday and more to come. And thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.